Alright, we are back. Stage 68. What was my last vid? Like a month ago. We're working on a book 18. Had a lot of life drama going on. But today was the last. I keep telling myself this. Today's going to be the last day I let this person hurt me again. So, done with it. So let's see if we can't knock out another stage here in the Build the Enterprise. Fanhome has been slow to ship a lot of kits. However, I'm still a few boxes behind, so really haven't noticed. Oh, I just dropped a small tiny piece onto the ground. So I really haven't noticed, but this is an example of these Partworks companies. You know, they'll stop shipping you a box for a month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever, and it turns like a 2.5 year build into like 3.5, whatever. So just be aware. And I don't know what, I dropped a small piece, I don't know what it was. I'll have to look for that whenever I get to it in the instructions. Let's bring you down. Looks like we have a riveting stage here with a panel. This piece is metal, and we got another piece of the pylon for nacelle. Oh yeah, this will be fun. This will be fun. Little phaser array, whatever that is. Okay. Let's just see what we can do here. Take our panel. We're going to put a bunch of escape pods into it. I'm going to roll these out. How many we need? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, anyone else doing this? I want to get this done so I can ship it off to Eaglemoss, unless I change my mind again. Make sure the red line on each is closest to the wide edge of the panel. That red line going to be facing down. Pop these in. At least it's not windows this time. Kind of over all the tiny little windows. Oh, these escape pods don't fit in too great. Lifeboats, whatever you want to call them. Let's just pop all these in. Yeah, I'm just over. Just when I think I'm in a good place, then I have somebody continue to hurt me over and over and over again, and I'm kind of over it. I'm just done with it. So, done with it. Done with fake apologies. Done with lies. Okay, all right, that's looking okay. Okay, we gotta take this black piece here, and writing on this side, it's gonna go in something like this. What are we using here? AM screws, some AM. M is for metal, so get a little of this oil I got in this tray already. Ooh, does oil dry up? Nope. Should be alright. We're going to dip the tip of the screw. That will help it cut its way, because they design these kits to cut their own threads in the middle. Dip the tip in the oil first. Ooh. Snug those down. Dip it. And snugged. Double check. Yeah. Not bad. Okay. Next, what do we got? This part right here, this edge piece. Cutouts like that. Sticking it, something like that. And we're going to use DM. DM has the built-in washer head looking thing. Use a couple of DMs. They're so small, probably don't need to dip them, but we're going to dip anyway. Dip the tip in the oil. Put that down in place. Snug. Tell you what, I can't wait to be done with this. Done with this one, and one day done with the Eleanor build, the Mustang Shelby, and that one I'll probably keep, but this one, like I said, may get rehomed. Okay, now, oh goody, we actually get to put it in place. We're going to use some FM screws, so it's going to go, does it go right here? Yeah, it does. Okay, so that's probably going to go underneath. Yep, just like that. Ooh, I like that. Make sure it's not getting, make sure nothing's in the way here. Nothing looks like it would be in the way. Okay. What are we using? Let me know. What are we using? We're using FM screws. FM screws. Hopefully, yeah, and the whole situation prevented me from, I'm not even going to talk about it anymore, because it just becomes whining at some point. No one wants to hear this nonsense and drama in my life. 2 FM screws, I dipped the tip, and one is going over here. Down pressure on that. I think that's in. Make sure. Yeah, looks like it. I tell you what, really got a nice gap there. That's pretty neat. But we're gonna go ahead and another FM screw. I'm gonna dip the tip in the oil. This one snug down. There we go. I like that. Kind of wish all the panels were like that as far as just setting them in and screwing them in place. And then that may be what actually dropped. Is I should have a cover that looks like a lifeboat. Let me try to find that. Maybe what dropped on the floor. Let me get down here on the floor and look. Oh my goodness. Nope, can't find it. I wonder if I got any extras. I don't even think I've had one of those yet. Dang it. You've got to be kidding me. I found it. Found it. It was upside down on the carpet on my little rug, so luckily I found it. That's exactly what dropped out. Don't even think I'll edit that out. Just have to fast forward. There we go. I kind of wished all these were like that. Still, the underneath bullcrap for the design. We're not done yet with this kit. With this stage. What we got now? Lateral phaser array with some nonsensical springs that do nothing. Place that phaser array in place. Let me open this package here. Don't want to lose these little springs, although I don't really think it matters, because they literally do nothing on the other pylon that we've already done. Don't know if this was intended to be a button at one point and they cut costs with the design, but we'll build as is. Build as is. So we got two nubbins sticking out right there. We're going to put a spring on each. Just push it down into the back side of the phaser array like that. And now we take this piece that we've had sitting out. How's this go? How's this go? How does this go? I don't even remember. Okay. Springs go through like that. Alright. And we got to attach. Okay. So we had this piece, the inside of the pylon, sitting around since stage I don't know what. This is going to go on this side. Oh man, this is riveting. Borderline non-instructional video, but that's the way that goes. Like I said, there's nothing attached to this phaser array, so the fact that you can push it because it has springs is odd. Alright, I gotta hold this in place. Let me see, what are we using here? BP screws. Where's my BP screws? BP screws. Plastic. P is for plastic, so we're not dipping this, and you don't want to over tighten. Okay, so we've got 2 BP screws from the inside, and I've just dropped that outer pylon shell off of the frame and completely deconstructed everything we just did. Make sure my nonsense springs are back on. Go ahead and take this piece back off. Dang it. What a nightmare. How about we just take it back off? Dang it. Ugh. Stupid design. Just nonsense. This piece back in place with the springs going through like that. Make sure our screw is loaded onto our screwdriver still. Get this inner part of the pylon. Put it back on. Maybe. Okay, just like that. Now screw in this hole. Just snug it. Don't want to strip it. This is painful. Screw in this hole. Snug it. And now we need to come over on this side. 2 more of these BPs out. On the outside end, we're going to screw snug. And last one, snug. And you kind of got some looseness like that. I'm sure that'll clean up once this tab is being held on by a bottom part. Same thing that happened over here. But now we have our little phasor array that we can push in because it's spring loaded, just like the other side. Really neat. Does it actuate anything up top? Nope. We know it doesn't because we just installed it into nothing. We do have 3 of these. Looks like we're putting 2 in. Oh yeah, just like this side. That one's trying to come out. That looks like crap over there. What happened to it? Anyway, we got 2 little plugs. We're going to go one there, one there. Roll out a plug and put it in place just like that. And roll out another plug, put it in place just like that. Okay. Done skis. Moving right along. That was stage 68 out of book 18. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Boom.